The CAMAUTO Premium Elite Loaded Cart comes with our Pro Elite puller with a constant tension head. A 9mm socket will go on here for macro adjustments and a wheel bearing inside for micro adjustments even under the hardest pressures. It also comes with the double feet, which adjusts to just about any surface you can imagine for maximum pulling potential. We have our 3-foot long leverage bar, kind of like a pimp stick for you guys in the body shops that you'll be used to. It'll next come with our I-bar kit. It comes with 4 in total, 2 of the 1.5s and 2 of the 2-inch. If you wanted to bend these out of the way and put glue in here and have 2 planes of contact, you can do that. A lot of people will ask me what the Christmas tree is for, and it is this just right here. So if you wanted to put these both on and have 1 point of contact to pull, you could pull and kind of untuck a quarter. It'll come with our 300-watt UL approved glue gun. The adjustable temperature at the bottom for our collision glues, you're going to want to turn that all the way up and crank that up to about 220 Celsius or 419 Fahrenheit, somewhere in that ballpark, when you use our collision glues. And when you use our faster curing glues, you're going to want to dial that back down to about halfway and make sure that because the glues will activate at different temperatures. They're designed for different things and designed specifically with our plastics and our glues to marry together. We have 4 long tabs of the 2-inch and the 1.5 inch. They come with these durable plastic hooks that go inside. Important to note, when you put the glue on here and set this onto the panel, push onto the back side. If you push onto the top of this hook, you're going to create an uneven glue bed, and that'll weaken your glue bond. You will have 15 flexible tabs, a 0.8, a 1.5, and a 2-inch. You can bend these all day long. I've had mine for years and never had a problem. You can go around corners and have multiple planes of contact. It's up to you. What I like to do is I take all my M4 screws, disc heads, and hook heads and put them all in one so I don't have to sift to the bottom of each one. They tend to fall to the bottom, but they will go into, let's build one right now. This goes right through here, and you can put a disc head on it or a hook head, and these are for the M4s. These are our universal adjustable tabs. 24 piece come in this kit. It'll come with the same principle applies to hooking these up to the disc or hook head with the M4 screw, and we'll have an 18-piece flat. Extremely hard pulling, extremely useful. Long knockdown, and then our 4-piece knockdown that are included in the kit. A 20-pack of our CAMAUTO world famous collision glue. We have our 5-pound non-pass-through head heavy slide hammer. Additionally, it'll come with our 3-set pulling rods and 2 bar tabs. If you like to, you can put glue on this side and pull in a lateral tension way or in a directional way. A lot of times I will put this smooth flat side on the back of a crown and tap that and work that crown, or a lot of times, most of the time, I have to use this angled edge to drive in there. Not all the way because I don't want to create any more damage, but just a little bit to get that glue bond to break and get more alcohol in there. Additionally, it'll come with our B7 Comfort ergonomic non-pass-through head mini lifter. All right guys, that is our Premium Elite loaded cart.